What's up, guys? This is your boy Tyree. Another Doordash vlog, man. Today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a traveling day today. Why I say that? Because I got to hit all the boroughs today and outside of the 5 boroughs too. So my first drive order is right behind me. Cozy. You can check how much I'm getting right now. Yep, not bad for my first drive this morning. So I'm about to see what's going on. Let me check the client. This is for Brandon Stewart. Let me check the client and see if it's available. All right, let's get right into it. Hey, how you doing this morning? Good morning. Hey, how you doing? I'm doing great. I'm picking up for Brandon. All right. All right. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Hey, how you doing? I'm here for Brandon Stewart.
I need to see the order.
Oh, you need to see the order? No words.
4018.
Just waiting for the pickup right now for Cozy. Making things happen. That's how they do it in Cozy. They're working, everybody's working, doing their thing, making things happen. So, just checking. Oh, okay, great. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Which one is it? Oh, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. My name is Tyree. Yeah.
What's your phone number?
My phone number.
We'll only call you if the guest can't reach you.
Oh, okay, great.
Paper goes in the garbage.
Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you, man.
All right.
Where can we go?
That's it. That's what it's about, man. Put me on the list for a preferred driver for this location. So if you guys,
course,
I've been here a couple of times too. So
Yeah,
which is
order
cool.
goes well.
What is your name?
Oscar.
Oscar.
Appreciate it.
All right, Nate. Thank you so much, Oscar. I appreciate
For
it.
having the same people over and over.
I appreciate it. Thank you, man. You have a good one. You too. Everybody's nice and cozy, man. So, see how I'm putting things up, setting things up a bit. Let me flip. All right, look how easy this is. This is an easy order. Easy order. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm about to zip this up. Yeah. Zip this up real quick. Getting things going. So you guys see the behind the scenes of how I do it. Alright, so let me flip the camera right back. Yep, you guys see how I do it, man, with these drives, man. This is a big order, so and it's light too, it's not that bad. But it's a high payout, which is good. So let me get right into it, guys, and make things happen and make this money. Guys probably looking at me, hey, what this guy's riding on? See? It's a 1, 2, 3. That's why I told folks. Tell you, this is the best way, especially if you're working in New York City. It's the best way to get around. But today is windy. It's very windy today. I don't know what's going on. It's windy. What's up? But I'm about to swipe this, guys. So let me get right to work and make things happen. So stay tuned. Peace. What's up, guys? This is your boy Tyree, man. Just finished dropping that drive order off. Good news, good news. As soon as I finished that drive, I got another drive. I dropped it off right behind me, that first drive. So I got another drive. You can check it out. Yep, 2432. But this is going way uptown. So let's get right into it. And this pickup, it is on John Street. So, see, when you're doing, especially catering orders, man, it's to be a lot of traffic, man. It'd be a lot of traffic, guys. All that traffic. You know what I mean? I don't have to go through none of that stuff, man. So, see, I'm gliding and making moves. I don't have to worry about it too much. Like I said, guys, today is one of the chilly days, and it's very windy, which sucks. But let me get right to this order, man. I'm stuck in. Look, I'm gonna flip the camera for you. This is how it is all the time in New York, man. Especially downtown area, way downtown, like Wall Street. It is packed. So you guys can see it too. Real packed. Yeah, you guys can see it, man. So let me get right into it and make this get things going, make these moves. What's going on, guys? All right? How you doing? Where you guys are from?
Italy.
Italiano. Ah, Italiano. All right. Shout out to the camera. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel, guys. All right. Hey. Yeah. Tyree Brown. Just look me up on YouTube. Tyree Brown. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Have a good one. Take care. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. A lot of excitement over there. That's how it is in New York, man. You got to get the crowd up, man. This is how it's done. So let me head right onto John Street and make things happen, man. Let's do this. Let's get this money. Peace. What's up, guys? Just trying to catch my breath, man. I got one. This order caught me by surprise. This is one of the heaviest orders that I have in my hands. And you see how I must have to take the train to get there. Especially 302. This is very heavy. You know, so I was making things happen, making movements, making this money. So I just missed the train by like 30 seconds. Sucks. So, see, that's why I work out a master plan, man, because carrying this is extremely heavy, man. Very heavy. This should be more for this order. Too heavy, man. Oh my gosh, it's one of the heaviest ones I've experienced. But train should be coming in the next next 5 more minutes. So guys, stay tuned. Peace out. What's up, guys? Just dropped my second drive order for my customer Gilbert. He was a happy camper. I'm happy. And this is one of the heaviest deliveries I ever experienced. So still made it happen. Thank God for trains and elevators. So it saved me and having my big bag. So I have 2 more drive orders. So that so I have my next drive orders around 2 something. So another couple of hours. So just want to keep you guys posted. So see you guys on the 3rd drive, man. 3rd drive. So stay tuned and peace out. See you guys in a couple hours. Peace.
2 hours later. What's up, guys? This is your boy Tyree on my 3rd drive. Guess what city I'm in? Jersey City, man. You got it, Jersey City. I'm on the 3rd drive. You can check how much I'm getting on this 3rd drive right now. Yep, $38.99. Hopefully they leave a tip. So coming out of the way, out of the 5 boroughs to get over here. So let's see what happens. So let's do it and let's make this happen, man. So about to head out. It's gonna be about 10 minutes to get to the restaurant. So see you guys in 10 minutes. Peace out. What's up, guys? I'm at the restaurant, just waiting right now. The order should have been ready, but unfortunately the order's not ready as of yet. So should be ready in another 10 minutes because I got another drive order out in Queens. It's crazy. So it's a lot of back and forth. So I'm on this Jamaican cuisine, actually a soul food spot / Jamaican cuisine. They have a lot of good food in here. So about to keep you guys posted, updated, man. So because I got to jet back right to New Jersey train station and head back to the city. So let's get this going. Let's make this movement. So, guys, stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Made it to the PATH train, man. This order had another. Another heavy order, man. It's not like the other one, but this one I have a heavy order, man. I'm really tight on schedule. The restaurant took too long. I don't think I'll do Jersey orders again, man. It's a little too much, but good thing it was only 10 minutes from this train station, so I had to jet down real quick, okay? You know, so right now I'm gonna show you real quick. Boots is leaking with the collard green juice, man. It's crazy, man. Whole joint is leaking, but everything is still compact. It's still good. So just wanted to show you guys. You guys can see, you know, but doing the best I can because I'm really, like I said, I'm tight on schedule because I got a fourth drive. I had to head to Queens, so I'm heading from Jersey right back to New York. You know, making things happen. So, guys, stay tuned. I see you guys in New York. So, what's up, guys? It's your boy Tyree, man. I want you guys to see this right here. I had to go through. See, this joint was leaking, man, with collard greens, watery collard greens juice. So, man, they would have tipped more. They normally tip on a credit card, but unfortunately, man, they looked like it was occupied. But I wasn't playing, so I was like, hey, man, like, I see 0 tip on the app, so they gave me $8 in cash tip, which is good. I'm really appreciative of this. You know what I mean? So anything is better than 0. I'm going out to Jersey, come back. So you can imagine if I would have did it through car, going through tolls, paying $13 gas and all that parking. You see what I'm saying? My cost to get out there was $6.50. So the tip made it back a bit. You know what I mean? So I would expect at least $20. You know what I mean? A big corporation like that order food from another state. You know, but, you know, it's all good, man. I was like, I was not leaving till I get something, man, you know? You got to fight for what's yours. Always remember that. So, it's really busy right now, so I'm about to go for my next drive. You should be ready within the next, I say in another hour or so, my other drive should be ready. So, guys, I see you guys in the next hour. Stay tuned. Peace out. What's up, people? How you guys are doing? On my fourth drive, right behind me. You can check how much I'm getting. Very impressed. Yep. Good pay, man. Good pay on this fourth drive, man. So I'm about to head right to the restaurant. Let me check who the client is. This is for Christine. So let's get right into this video. Let's see if what is what. Hey, how you doing? I'm here to pick up for Christine.
Oh, for what was it, Doordash?
Yeah, Doordash. Yeah.
No problem.
How you doing today, huh?
Hi, that's my friend. You have a bag, right?
Yeah, I have a bag. Yeah. Huh?
It's a universe?
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody's asking.
I'll be back for this. See you later, bro.
See ya. I thought you were the health department for a second because they always come with something that looks like this.
Oh, really? Oh, this is me right here?
Yeah, he's gonna help you.
Oh,
pack it up. What is this?
Oh, that's a unicycle.
No fucking way. Oh, shoot,
You do
really?
catering in that?
Huh?
You do catering in that?
I can't do everything. Yeah. Very unique, right?
Something new every day.
Yeah, man. You gotta find something that works, right?
Yo, did I ever tell you that you're like Al Harrington?
Oh, man. I
The
get
basketball player?
Oh, the basketball player? Really?
Al Harrington, yeah.
Wait a minute. He just said I look like Al Harrington? All right. I'll take that.
Oh, okay. Not with the bald head, though, right?
No.
He used to have a bald head, right?
I forgot, did he? I don't even remember. I just remember him because I remember him obviously because he played for the Knicks for a few years.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, that's
Yeah, is he still in the NBA? No, right?
yeah, he's in the big three.
Oh, the big three now.
Big
Yeah.
three, he's in the big three. But I thought he was very good. He was
Yeah, why? I don't understand. How many years he was in the NBA for?
here for like I think like he's in the NBA for like a minute. Isn't he?
Like,
For a while.
like 7, 8 years, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got a good run. He got a
Yeah,
good
he
run.
was actually pretty good. I liked him. I thought he was very good. This is gonna make it heavy, bro. I'm sorry.
No, it's all good. It's all right. I've been through heavy throughout this whole day today. This is my 4th drive for today, man.
Okay.
I should be all set, right? Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it, man.
Best of luck.
All right, man. No worries, man. Back to the city.
Thank you, man.
Grind day, man.
Yeah.
Have a good one. Alright. Everything was smooth. Guys, everything was smooth. This is the last heavy for today, so let's get this going and make movements. Well, it's not that heavy compared to heaviness, not that heavy. So, man, let me get right into it, man. You guys see behind the scenes, everybody was just so curious of my unicycle. So, about to hop back on this train and head back to Manhattan. So, guys, stay tuned. See you guys in New York. Peace out. What's up, guys, man? I'm in New York. Did my thing. Just dropped it off about a few minutes ago. They was happy, man. Unfortunately, the guy didn't want me to come up. But the ladies, I'm like, it's heavy, man. I'm not going to have them go upstairs and bring it. It's going to look unprofessional. They left me a $25 tip. They paying so much money, so the least I can do is full service. They deserve the full service. And I told them, don't forget to, most importantly, leave the 5 stars, okay? That helps build up my ratings. So today was a long day, man. I was all over today. I was in Jersey, I was in Long Island City, I was in Queens. I had a good time. I enjoyed myself. So I'm about to head home, man. So guys, man, I appreciate you following my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, God bless and peace out, man. You know me, gotta go, man. So guys, have a good one. Peace. Woo.